Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Half of the Thunderbirds. This had hit me, struck at the guard gate, went across the road, rooted that up, followed the path, went under this tree, came back out, and followed, went around this tree and under this tree, rooted its way, all the way down, went beneath this tree, came back out on the other side of the tree, made its way. This is the path of the Thunderbolt. Made its way all the way down and struck this tree. When it got into this tree, it exploded.
You think I get more here before?
Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Move a bit like this. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then actually ended up and burnt the grass. And totally flew this tree in all different directions.
Pieces.
Into pieces. That's the part of the tree. If you look over there, that's also a part of the tree. Fragments of the tree. This path probably maybe 100 feet. After the road, fragments of the tree. And this is the best part. This is probably across the road now. This is the part of the tree. Part of the tree that was dismantled. And let me give you an idea of how far away this branch flew. So that's where the tree was. And this is where it ended up. And there are fragments of the tree as far as you can see. And in all different directions. There's fragments. There's fragments. And I shouldn't even be out here. But never seen anything like this. And that's the tree.
So, lightning strike on Monroe College campus, right? That is located in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, of course, right? Now, the reason why I show you this too, because you have some people who have a thing where them say, oh, only wicked alone hide from lightning. Especially persons on construction site and certain places, you know what I mean? Yeah, because, you know, them like to say that lightning now go lick you, or won't hit at you, if you are not in fear of God or so forth. But let me tell you something, you see? Lightning is a force of nature. There is no prediction to it. Yes, it is made by God, you know, as believed, but at the same time, you can't predict it. You see me? And then you have some people who say about, oh, lightning don't strike the same place twice. Let me tell you something, you see? I know of a place in Jamaica where the lightning lick the same place twice. It might not be the same day, but it did lick the same place twice. Where the first time it lick, right? Well, I'm not sure if it's in the order, but when I go tell you it happened, but I don't know I remember in which order it happened. But it lick and kill a almond tree, and then it lick the same place again and kill a higla. Right? I don't know if it's the igla did get licked first and then the almond tree after, or it's the almond tree first and then the igla after. But it did lick the same place twice. Right? That is the thing. Alright? So, voila. And there's another thing too again, you see? Me hear a story one time where, me I tell you the truth, I don't believe it. You see me? I don't remember me here, to be honest, you see? But, it just in my head, so I'm going to tell you. Where, I remember, you see a man I play golf. And the man hold up the golf stick in her hand because he just make a hole in one, right? So as the moment he hold the golf stick in the air, a lightning left from the sky, touch the golf stick, travel down his hand, go across his chest, come around to him back, go down in back pocket, touch pan a few silvers in back pocket and explode it. You understand? Yeah, but we're not really too sure if that, you know, it can happen because it's lightning, but I'm not sure about that story. You see? I don't know if it's true or not, but I just tell you, you see? Alright, so viewers and subscribers, listen to me. Protect on yourself whenever you see lightning or flashes. You may say, go inside or something. Don't follow other people or, you see me, or persons, I should say, that is going to say some things about, only evil alone run from lightning or, you know, who fear the God. No, it's a force of nature, alright? And you don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself, yeah, my viewers and subscribers. You see it?